10 almost zero-calorie foods for weight loss. 1. Coconut water. Hydrating and refreshing. Rich in electrolytes. Helps curb sugary drink cravings. 2. Cucumber. 98% water content. Keeps you hydrated. Reduces insulin spikes. Great low-calorie snack. 3. Watermelon. Excellent for hydration. 98% water. Helps control hunger naturally. 4. Sugar-free chewing gum. Reduces appetite. Useful for curbing cravings between meals. 5. Apple. High in fiber and antioxidants. Helps you feel full. Supports healthy digestion. 6. Cauliflower. Low in carbs. Excellent substitute for rice. Ideal for keto diets. 7. Mushrooms. Great for stir-fries and baking. Supports bone health. Rich in antioxidants. 8. Bottle gourd lauki. High in fiber. Aids digestion. Diabetes-friendly. 9. Lettuce. Can be used as a wrap instead of bread. Adds volume to meals without calories. Easy to grow at home. 10. Beetroot. Great for glowing skin. Boosts collagen. Rich in antioxidants.